Misis, malayo sa totoong puti, may itotodo pa ang puting niya sa Veteran Diet Ultra.
So I lied.
Wow!
Lumabas ang totoong puti sa Tide. Bossing sa todong kaputihan. Mas pinarami, same price.
Hey, how about me? I'm the little.
What's your deal?
You see me? Hello, did you see me?
Essential vitamins to help you look at our best. And CGF to keep us growing through the years.
Did you see me? Mom, oh mom. He's only here, sorry babe.
Let's groovy! How about that? Showtime! You can see groovy when you're dancer-free. For the first time in the history of our potatoes.
Oh, let's go to let's go buy new things to your house. Oh, this one. I want to do it again. Do what, Mom? Just buying everything. Yeah, buying everything. Sorry, Scarlett. That's what I got. But first, we're going to see our new house. I'm here. I'm going, but I'm going.
Start out feeling fresh, but at the end of the day, it's fresh to the lab. Rexona with Fresh Protect keeps you feeling fresh longer than other deos. Feel clean and fresh every day. Rexona, it won't let you down.
In the name of Hotbar.
Now, can you go now? If you want it, you know. Is that one? There is a one. Wow.
Wake yourself up to the mind-blowing freshness of Colgate Fresh Confidence with cooling crystals.
Wow. Totally awesome.
Colgate Fresh Confidence with cooling crystals. It's mind-blowing.
Help me on that.
Dati na, ayaw ko na magpa-picture eh. In high school ako, ginawa kong example ng teacher ko dahil sa skin problems ko. I really felt sad, hurt, and insulted. From then on, aalagaan ko na talaga yung physical appearance ko. Nag-decide ako na gumamit ng Maxipil. Every single day, nadagdag din yung confidence ko na soon mawawala yung pimples ko. Ngayon, pag may nagyan ng pimples, sige, self-love.
Here, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Philippines, over 26 na.
Eggs. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Thank you so much, Francis Rivera.
Just wait for a minute.
Thank you, myself. Ito na! Good luck sa ating 58 semi-finalists. Gandang Lalaki 2014. Bukod sa pag-ilala bilang kauna-unahang Gandang Lalaki sa promoter ng Showtime, itatanggap siya ng premyong 300,000 pesos.
Wow!
Yeah!
Mabigat na yan! Desisyon na yan ay nakasalalay sa kamay ng
Mom,
ating
can you point new things are toy size, please? Or if you want, let's go buy. Get out of there again.
Susunod,
I don't need to make you call again.
at isang tunay na
Why?
palibasa ganda ang lalaki. Eto na siya.
Rainbow.
Estrada.
Get out of the way.
Walang kakayas pa rin sa beautiful host and actress na maka-sexy na mapapanood natin sa kamay. Isa ring hashtag Fitspo of Fitness Inspiration. Miss Isa Calzada!
I will buy it.
Siya ang halimbawa na kumakarir at nagpupursige sa buhay mula sa pagiging pasorero. Pwede kang driver. Oo. Takatakboy. That's entertainment.
Picture.
That's entertainment.
Sorry.
At ngayon naman ay gandang lalaki Vice Mayor ng Maynila.